Hello, in this video we'll show you how to remove and replace the window regulator on Honda Accord. Here on this car the window regulator is broken and the window is going up and down by hand. Look at it, just like that. So here in my case I need to replace the window regulator. In order to get to the window regulator, first I need to remove the door panel. There's a couple of bolts holding the door panel. One of them is just there. I need to remove this plastic cover, and there's two bolts behind the cover. There's another bolt right there that I need to remove as well. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. I also need to remove this plastic cover that's hiding the bolts for the wing mirror. Now that I've removed all the bolts, I need to pry out the door panel. I'm going to use a plastic pry tool and just pry it out, and it will come out. Next I need to remove the cable for the door handle, and there is a couple of connectors, electrical connectors, that I need to remove. Next I'm going to remove this cover, but before I remove it, there's two bolts that I need to remove for this metal thing over there. Now that everything is removed, I have access to the window regulator. First I'm going to remove these three bolts for the window motor and also the electrical connector for the window motor. And then I'm going to remove the bolts for the window regulator. There is two bolts on top and two bolts on the bottom, right there. There are also two bolts holding the window to the window regulator. You can see one of them is right there, and the other one should be seen from the other hole to the right of this hole. I'm going to remove now this first bolt. The other bolt I can't see it at all because the window regulator is broken and the window is tilted a little bit. So in order to get to the second bolt of the window, first I need to remove all the bolts for the window regulator and the window motor, so that I move this bolt for the window to the hole so that I can remove it. So now I start by removing all the bolts that hold the window and the window regulator. And now I'm going to put the other bolt for the window in a position so that I can remove it. Now that the bolts for the window are removed, I'm going to bring up the window and put a little bit of sellotape on it so that it doesn't go down. And now I can take out the window regulator. That's the window regulator out along with the window motor. Next I'm going to compare it to the new window regulator and then put the new regulator in. Now I'm going to put the window regulator back in its place, put the window motor back in its place, and then put the bolts on, and afterwards we can put on the window. Now that the regulator is on, I'm going to bring down the window and put it in its place and then put on the bolts. We can see the two bolts will exactly in the two holes. Now that all the bolts are on, I'm going to tighten them and then assemble everything in the reverse order. Now that everything is assembled, I'm going to turn the ignition on and lift up and down the window to see if everything works. Everything works, so that means we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.